Robert Bonaiuto was spotted trying to break into cars in Bradenton. He fled on his bicycle and then ran on foot, eventually coming to a dead end when he sprinted down a dock on Palmasola Bay. Helicopter footage shows Bonaiuto casually climbing out of the water, having no idea that police officers and their canine unit were waiting about 30 feet away.
Now, right at the shoreline, right at the shoreline. He's on shore, he's on shore. K9, 30 feet in front of you, walking right to you. Alright, K9's in the water after him. K9's making contact now. Alright, K9's pulling him up on the shore now. Stand by.
Deputies arrested Bonaiuto and treated him for bite marks on both arms. He was arrested when CCTV cameras showed him breaking into someone's pool cage and tampering with other cars. He thought he could swim away from the police. Little did he know, this canine unit had one mean doggy paddle.